Thank you and welcome everyone. My name is Robert Dempsey and I'm the CEO of OKYO. We are addressing unmet needs in corneal and anterior segment diseases. We are a publicly traded company on NASDAQ. So at OKYO, we are pioneering a new therapeutic option of which there's no approved products on the market today. Our lead program, Eyecelerator, is a novel, non-opioid, preservative-free eye drop with both dual pain-relieving as well as anti-inflammatory activity for patients experiencing neuropathic corneal pain. Now, this is a severe, debilitating condition, significantly under-researched, of which there's no FDA-approved programs. These patients commonly experience pain, photophobia, foreign body sensation, and it ultimately causes significant quality of life issues. Our solution is a novel MOA, Eyecelerator, that targets the ChemR2/3 receptor, a differentiated dual mechanism that modulates both pain, neuropathic pain signaling, as well as immune-mediated inflammation. So what got us all excited was a proof-of-concept study done at Tufts Medical Center, in which Eyecelerator demonstrated clinically meaningful reduction in pain, and that translated to a 5.5 point improvement utilizing the 10-point VAS score, and that was not only compared to baseline, but also compared to placebo. In addition, 75% of patients experience a greater than 80% improvement in pain, and we also have signaled nerve restoration utilizing the confocal microscope. This product is safe and well-tolerated. Our development plan, based on a Type C meeting with the agency, is confirmed, which will have over 100+ subjects designed to meet a primary endpoint, and we expect to have data in the back half of next year. From an FDA perspective, we are the only IND awarded and have been granted fast-track status by the agency. And last but not least, as mentioned, we have confirmed primary endpoint as well as sample size. From a financial perspective, we just completed a very, very nice round of $22 million. I'll call out our friends at Piper, in particular Udit Patel, who was the lead banker, and we have 3 institutional investors. I will point out both Point72 and Woodline. Between the 2 of them, who have over 20 positions in the ophthalmic space. So Eyecelerator is a lipidated peptide designed to selectively target the ChemR2/3 receptor, a key regulator of both ocular pain and inflammation. Based on our animal and human models, we have an ocular analgesic as well as anti-inflammatory activity by targeting, as mentioned, the ChemR2/3 receptor, a key regulator in neuropathic pain signaling as well as ocular inflammation. And this is a first-in-class Cameron receptor agonist. So let's take an opportunity to look at the landscape of patients with NCP. First of all, significantly under-researched disease with significant impact on patients' quality of life. There's a rising scrutiny in the public domain about the use of gabapentin, which is oftentimes used to treat these patients. I'll call your attention to the Wall Street Journal article in December. A delayed diagnosis results in patients progressing potentially into centralized pain, which is much more difficult to treat. And the Eyecelerator, based on our early stage market research, will be positioned as a specialty premium price product within the chronic pain and rare ocular disease markets. So quickly looking at our data, this was a phase 2 randomized double-masked study completed at Tufts Medical Center by Dr. Pedram Hamra in Boston. After 12 weeks of treatment, 75% of per protocol patients showed a greater than 80% reduction utilizing the VAS score, the visual analog score. Eyecelerator demonstrated a mean change of baseline and pain scores in as early as 4 weeks. I'll call your attention to the right-hand side, the improvements in the 10-point scale in which Eyecelerator demonstrated that 5.5 improvement, again, not just compared to baseline, but also compared to placebo. So the good news doesn't stop there. We also have promising nerve growth potential in which we showed a median increase not only in nerve fiber counts, but also nerve fiber layer, which clearly shows the opportunity to have nerve restoration and the potential for first-in-class potential. So we are fast-tracking a potential therapy for NCP. We've clicked the box of clinical efficacy. We have a significant unmet need and the opportunity of first-line therapy with positive reimbursement. And last but not least, our team is focused on executing a clinical trial. We plan to initiate the trial by the midpoint of this year and have top-line data by the end of next year. And last but not least, we have a wonderful presentation on our data on Tuesday at 3:30. Thank you very much.